Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in CoinMarketCap. This is a quick setting change, but it can noticeably improve how comfortable the platform feels when you're using it day to day. For those of you who love using CoinMarketCap to keep track of cryptocurrencies, you might find that switching to dark mode gives your eyes a bit of a break, especially if you're spending long hours analyzing market trends, prices, or charts. Besides, dark mode often offers a sleek, modern look that many prefer. And it can also help reduce eye strain. If you're working late at night or in a dimly lit space, let's start by opening up CoinMarketCap. You can simply type coinmarketcap.com into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. When the website loads, you'll be greeted with the familiar homepage. Make sure you're on the right website just to be safe, especially if you have multiple crypto tools bookmarked. You'll see the homepage showcasing various cryptocurrencies, their prices, market caps, and much more. It's a data-rich resource and one that's much easier to scan and use with a nice, relaxing dark theme. Next, you want to locate the profile icon. This is generally found at the top right corner of your screen. If you're familiar with similar websites or dashboards, you probably know that these icons are usually shaped like a silhouette or an avatar. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options related to your account and preferences. Once that drop-down menu appears, look for the option that says dark mode. It might be labeled simply as dark, or have an icon representing darkness or nighttime. Go ahead and click on that option. You should see the website instantly transform from its default bright theme to a much more relaxing dark mode without needing to refresh the page. That's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've switched to dark mode on CoinMarketCap. This feature is particularly helpful if you're working in a low-light environment, checking prices frequently throughout the day, or just prefer a darker interface for comfort and focus. It's a small change that can make a significant difference in your overall user experience. Remember, if for any reason you want to switch back to the standard light mode, you can easily do so by reversing these steps. Simply click on the profile icon again and select the light mode option from the drop-down menu. This flexibility allows you to customize your experience according to your preferences at any given time, depending on when and how you're using the platform. If you're really into dark modes, you might also consider enabling this feature in other apps and websites that offer it. Many services support dark mode now, and switching between them across different platforms can offer a more cohesive and visually comfortable experience, especially if you're managing multiple tools throughout your workday. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your CoinMarketCap experience with a dark mode that's both stylish and easier on the eyes. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tutorials and tips. Have a great day and happy crypto tracking!